10 little crazy taxis driving in a line. One saw a giant puddle and yelled, "This one is mine." He went splash right through the water and drove off with a laugh. Now there are 9 little crazy taxis, 9 little crazy taxis, running a bit late. One tried a shortcut through the park gate. He swerved around a bouncy ball and zoomed right past the swings. Now there are 8 little crazy taxis, 8 little crazy taxis. What a silly fate. One saw a big ramp and shouted, "This is great!" He went VROOOM and jumped up high and waved right at the sky. Now there are 7 little crazy taxis,
7 little crazy taxis, doing funny tricks. One started spinning round just for kicks.
He went spin, spin, spin so fast he got dizzy at the last. Now there are 6 little crazy taxis, 6 little crazy taxis, happy to be alive. One started dancing the taxi jive. He wiggled left, he wiggled right, and honked with all his might. Now there are 5 little crazy taxis, 5 little crazy taxis, speeding by the store. One started honking a song, honk-a-doodle-door. He honked so loud and funny, he ran right out of gas. Now there are 4 little crazy taxis,
4 little crazy taxis, crazier than before. One chased a seagull down by the shore.
He yelled, "I'm going to catch you," and chased it on the sand. Now there are 3 little crazy taxis, 3 little crazy taxis. What'll we do? One drove up on the sidewalk. Moo! He wanted to buy ice cream and parked right by the door. Now there are 2 little crazy taxis, 2 little crazy taxis, racing in the sun. One tried to race an airplane. I bet that I'll have won. He looked up high and zoomed ahead and drove right off the map. Now there is 1 little crazy taxi,